Dear students, welcome to my 6th class on Module 2, Conformal Transformation and Complex Integration. In this lecture video, we're going to discuss the few more problems on the Cauchy's integral formula. Problem number 4. Evaluate the integral over the region C e power z by z plus I pi into dz over each of the following curves C. The first curve is mod z is equal to 2 pi. Second one is mod z is equal to pi by 2. Third one is mod of z minus 1 is equal to 1. So given that the integral over the region C e power z by z plus I pi into dz. So by comparing this given curve with the actual formula, we can get the function f of z is equal to e power z. And the function z plus I pi will be equal to 0. It implies z is equal to minus I pi. It means that x comma y is given by 0 comma minus pi. So first I am going to plot the first curve. It is given like mod z is equal to 2 pi. So this mod z is equal to 2 pi is a circle of radius 2 pi with center at origin. So now draw a circle of radius 2 pi with center at origin. So this is my circle of radius 2 pi with center at origin. Now choose this point 0 comma minus pi in the circle. So this 0 comma minus pi in the sense it will come in the negative y-axis. So the point will lies here. So hence we can say that the point z is equal to minus I pi lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 2 pi. So hence we can use the formula. That is the integral over the region C f of z by z minus a into dz will be equal to 2 pi I into f of a. It implies integral over the region C e power z by z plus I pi into dz will be equal to 2 by I into f of minus I phi. Okay, to find the value of f of minus I phi, so take the function f of z is equal to e power z. So in the place of z I am replacing minus I into pi. So I got e power minus I pi is equal to cos pi minus I sin pi. So cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. So I got the value of f of minus I pi is minus 1. So hence I got the integral over the region C e power z by z plus I pi is minus 2 pi I. Next one is mod z is equal to pi by 2, the circle of radius pi by 2 with center at origin. So now I plot a circle of radius pi by 2 with center at origin. So I got a graph like this. So now I am going to choose a point z is equal to 0 comma minus pi in this circle. So this point z is equal to 0 comma minus pi, which is coming the negative y-axis and it lies outside. So hence z is equal to minus I pi lies outside the circle. That is mod z is equal to pi by 2. Hence the formula is 0. That is integral over the region C f of z by z minus a into dz will be equal to 0. Hence I got the integral e power z by z plus I pi into dz will be equal to 0. Third curve is mod of z minus 1 is equal to 1 is a circle of radius 1 and center at 1 comma 0. So now I plot a circle of radius 1 with center at 1 comma 0 in this, it will come in the positive x-axis. So this is my curve of radius 1 with center at 1 comma 0. Now the point 0 comma minus pi will lies in the negative y-axis and it lies outside. So hence I got that the point z is equal to minus I pi lies outside the circle. Mod of z minus 1 is equal to 1. So hence the integral over the region C e power z by z plus I pi dz will become 0. Problem number 5. Evaluate integral over the region C e power 3z by z square dz over the curve mod z is equal to 1. The function is given like integral over the region C e power 3z by z square into dz. So it can be written like integral over the region C e power 3z by z minus 0 whole square dz. So here I am going to use the general form of the Cauchy's integral formula. So by comparing both the equations, we can take the function f of z is equal to e power 3z and the point z is equal to 0 and the value of n is equal to 1. So now plot the circle mod z is equal to 1. So it's a circle of radius 1 with center at origin. So this is my circle, I got it, of radius 1. So now I am going to choose a point z is equal to 0 in the circle and which lies inside the curve mod z is equal to 1. So now from the general form of the Cauchy's integral formula, we have integral over the regency f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz will be equal to 2 pi I into by n factorial into f power n of a. So now it will become integral over the regency e power 3z by z minus 0 whole power 1 plus 1 into dz. It will become 2 pi I by 1 factorial into f dash of 0. This is by taking n is equal to 1. So now we need to find the value of f dash of 0. So take the function as e power 3z. So it will become like I got f dash of z is equal to 3 into e power 3z after differentiation. So now I'm going to find the value of f dash of 0 by putting z is equal to 0 here. I'll be getting f dash of 0 is equal to 3 into e power 0. It is 3. So hence I got the integral over the regency e power 3z by z square dz is 6 into pi I. Problem number 6. Evaluate integral over the regency z by z square plus 1 into z square minus 1 dz in cases where C is the circle of mod z is equal to 2 and second one is mod of z minus 2 is equal to 2. So given curve is integral over the regency z by z square plus 1 into z square minus 1 dz. So it will become actually what? The function z square plus 1 into z square minus 1 is equal to 0 I am taking. So on simplifying this, we'll be getting z is equal to plus or minus I and z is equal to plus or minus 3. 4 points I got it. Now I am going to plot the circle mod z is equal to 2. Is a circle with center at origin and radius 2. So in this circle, I am going to choose the point z is equal to plus or minus I. It means that x comma y is 0 comma plus 1 and 0 comma minus 1. And in this curve, the points will be x comma y is 3 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0. Okay, now I am plotting a circle of radius 2. Like after plotting the circle, the point z equal to plus or minus I is lies inside the curve and the point z is equal to plus or minus 3 which lies outside the circle. So now take the equation 1 by z plus I into z minus I. It is given by a by z plus I plus b by z minus I. It will be equal to what actually? A into z minus I plus b into z plus I divided by z plus I into z minus I. So I am going to cancel these terms z plus I into z minus I in both the equations and I got the equation like 1 is equal to a into z minus I plus b into z plus I. So to find the values of a and b, to find a I am going to eliminate b, to find b I am going to eliminate a. So in the first step I am taking z is equal to I. If I take z is equal to I, a gets eliminated, I can able to find the value of b. So I got the equation like 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 2i. I got b is equal to 1 by 2i. Similarly, I am taking z is equal to minus I. I got the equation 1 is equal to a into minus 2i plus b into 0. I got a is equal to minus 1 by 2i. So now I'll be replacing this a and b value here in this equation. I'll be getting 1 by z plus I into z minus I as minus 1 by 2i by z plus I plus 1 by 2i by z minus I. So I got the equation like 1 by z plus I into z minus I is equal to minus 1 by 2i by z plus I plus 1 by 2i by z minus I. So by taking 1 by 2i common factor, I got 1 by 2i into 1 by z minus I minus 1 by z plus I. So hence the integral over the regency z by z square minus 9 by z square plus 1 dz will become 1 by 2i integral over the regency z by z square minus 9 by z minus I into dz minus integral over the regency z by z square minus 9 by z plus I into dz. So now the point z is equal to plus and minus I lies inside the circle. So hence the function will become integral over the regency z by z square plus 1 into z square minus 9 dz will become 1 by 2i into 2 pi I f of I minus 2 pi I f of minus I. So now in this equation I am taking the function f of z as z by z square minus 1 because this point lies outside the circle. So now after replacing that, I got the function f of I as I by I square minus 9. It will be equal to I by minus 1 minus 9. So I got the value of f of I is minus I by 10. Similarly, the value of f of minus I is minus I by minus I square minus 9. It will become minus I by minus 1 minus 9. I got I by 10. So now I am replacing both the values in the equation. I got the integral over the region C. Z by z square plus 1 into z square minus 9 dz will be equal to 1 by 2i 2 pi I into minus I by 10 minus 2 pi I into I by 10. So it will be equal to 1 by 2i into minus 4 pi into I square by 10. I got the value minus pi I by 5. The next curve is given like mod of z minus 2 is equal to 2 is a circle with center at 2, 0 and radius is equal to 2. So now plot the circle of radius 2 with center at 2, 0. Now after plotting this circle, we can see that the point z is equal to minus 3, z is equal to I and z is equal to minus I lies outside, and the point z is equal to 3 only lies inside the circle. So hence I can say that the function is taken as z divided by z square plus 1 into z plus 3 because all this point lies outside here. So hence the integral over the region C, z by z square plus 1 into z plus 3 by z minus 3 dz will become 2 pi I into f of 3, and this can be obtained from this equation. So in this function I am putting z is equal to 3. I got f of 3 is equal to 3 by 9 plus 1 into 3 plus 3, it is 1 by 20. So hence I got the answer integral over the region C, z by z square plus 1 into z square minus 9 into dz will be equal to 2 pi I by 20. Hence I got the value pi I by 20. Okay, in the next lecture video, we'll be discussing the concept of conformal transformation and bilinear transformations. Thank you.